Exploring the amazing Amazon River. The Amazon River is the biggest river in the whole world. Here are some cool facts about it. The Amazon River flows through South America. It starts in the Andes Mountains in Peru and flows all the way to the Atlantic Ocean in Brazil. The Amazon River is home to lots of different animals like pink dolphins, piranhas, and even giant anacondas. It's also surrounded by a big, lush rainforest called the Amazon rainforest. This rainforest is full of trees, plants, and animals. The Amazon River is super wide and deep. Some parts of it can be as wide as 11 kilometers. The Amazon River is a super special place full of adventure and surprises. It's like a big playground for nature to show off its amazing wonders.
Cooking with Grandma. Hawa is spending the day with her grandma, and today they're going to cook something delicious together.
Are you ready to make our special recipe today, Hawa?
Yes, Grandma. I can't wait.
First, they need to wash the vegetables. Grandma shows Hawa how to clean them properly. Now it's time to mix the ingredients. Hawa is being very careful as she stirs everything together.
Look, Grandma, I'm doing it.
Great job, sweetie. You're a natural chef.
Grandma shows Hawa how to crack an egg without making a mess.
Remember to be gentle with the egg just like this.
I'll try it next time.
Now the food is ready to go in the oven. Hawa helps Grandma place it carefully. As they wait for the food to bake, Grandma tells Hawa stories about when she was little.
When I was your age, I loved cooking with my grandma too.
That sounds so fun. I love cooking with you, Grandma.
After some waiting, the food is finally ready. Hawa is so excited to taste it. Hawa and Grandma taste their creation. It's delicious, and Hawa feels proud.
Yum! It tastes amazing, Grandma.
That's because we made it together.
After their delicious meal, Hawa helps Grandma clean up the kitchen. They both had such a fun time cooking together.
Can we cook again soon, Grandma?
Of course, my little chef.
Feelings Factory, exploring emotions and mental health. Welcome to the Feelings Factory. Are you ready to learn all about emotions and how to take care of your mental health? Let's dive in and discover how our feelings work in a fun and simple way. Emotion exploration. Emotions are like colors in our heart. We feel happy, sad, excited, scared, and many more. It's okay to feel different emotions. They're all part of being human. Talk about it. It's important to talk about how you feel with someone you trust, like a parent, teacher, or friend. Sharing your feelings can help you feel better and let others know how they can support you. Relax and recharge. Just like a phone needs to recharge, our minds need rest too. Take breaks, do things you enjoy, and practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or listening to calming music. Be kind. Be kind to yourself and others. Everyone feels emotions, and it's okay to have good days and bad days. Treat yourself with love and understanding, and remember to be kind to others too. By understanding our emotions and taking care of our mental health, we can create a happier and healthier world for ourselves and those around us. So let's keep exploring our feelings and building a feelings factory full of positivity and joy.
Watch them grow. Seed sprouting experiment. Are you curious about how plants grow? Let's do a fun experiment to see seeds come to life right before your eyes. All you need are some seeds, paper towels, a plastic baggie, and a little bit of water. Here's how to do it. First, gather your materials and find a clean, flat surface to work on. Second, take a few seeds like beans or sunflower seeds and place them evenly spaced on a damp paper towel. Third, lay another damp paper towel on top of the seeds, making sure they are completely covered. Fourth, carefully place the paper towels with the seeds inside a plastic baggie. Seal the baggie shut, but leave a little bit of air inside. Fifth, now find a cozy spot for your seed-filled baggie to rest. It should be somewhere warm and sunny, like near a window. Sixth, over the next few days, check on your seeds regularly. Keep the paper towels damp by adding a little water if they start to dry out. Seventh, watch in amazement as the seeds begin to sprout tiny roots and shoots. You'll see them grow taller and taller each day. It's like having a front row seat to nature's magical show. With a little bit of patience and care, you'll witness the incredible journey from seed to plant right in your own home. So grab your seeds and let's get sprouting.
Frozen fun. Ice cube races. Are you ready for a chilly challenge that's as cool as ice? Let's have some fun with ice cube races. All you need are some small toys, water, and a freezer. Here's how to do it. First, choose some small toys that you don't mind getting a little frosty. Maybe some toy cars, animals, or even little figures. Second, put each toy into a separate compartment of an ice cube tray. You can use different toys for each compartment to make the race more exciting. Third, carefully pour water into the ice cube tray, covering the toys completely. Fourth, ask an adult to help you put the ice cube tray into the freezer. Now, it's time to wait patiently while the water freezes and turns into ice cubes. Fifth, once the ice cubes are solid, take them out of the freezer. Pop each ice cube out of the tray and place them on a plate or tray. Sixth, now it's race time. Put the ice cubes on a flat surface and watch as they start to melt. Which toy will escape from the ice first? That's the winner of the race. It's a fun and frosty way to learn about how things melt and change from solid to liquid. So gather your toys and get ready for an icy adventure.
Super smiles, keeping your teeth healthy and happy. Hey there, are you ready to learn how to keep your teeth super strong and your smile shining bright? Let's explore the importance of dental care and oral hygiene in a fun and easy way. Brushing power. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bed, with fluoride toothpaste. Brush all around your teeth and gums for 2 minutes each time to remove food particles and plaque. Flossing fun. Floss between your teeth once a day to clean away food and plaque that your toothbrush can't reach. Use gentle back and forth motions to clean between each tooth. Healthy eating. Eat lots of fruits, veggies, and dairy products like milk and cheese, which are good for your teeth. Try to limit sugary snacks and drinks, as they can cause cavities and damage your teeth.
Dental checkups. Visit the dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Your dentist can help keep your teeth and gums healthy and catch any problems early before they get worse. By following these simple tips and taking good care of your teeth, you'll have a super smile that lasts a lifetime. So let's get brushing, flossing, and smiling our way to healthy teeth and gums.